Hello, friends. I'm Reena Mahajan, and you're watching me on English Oasis. Interview question: what is your definition of success? And the best answer would be success is a highly subjective word, and according to me, success means how many trust you, including yourself. The more the number of people trust you in life and ready to do anything for you, then you can term yourself successful. This is the second video in the series of 26 questions that I'm going to make up one by one. Please watch question 1 also. We can add up whether the success you seek is more money, influence, peace, clients, repetition, or enjoyment. You must go through yourself and other people to get it, and they won't give it to you unless they trust you. The starting point of success, also known as trust, is you. Your ability to trust yourself determines your altitude of success. We can further add up something more in this answer, and that is that starts by being in peace with yourself first. So, in short, peace enables you to trust within you, which propels you to success. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you have liked it. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel